How to delete old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. For that, first of all launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now go through that old Instagram account. Suppose this one is my old Instagram account. Now simply hit on the three dots which is on the top right corner. There you will see report option. Simply tap on it. From here, select something about this account and select something else. From here, choose whichever option you like and then simply hit on the report. Once you do that, Instagram team will help you out to delete this account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.